Master Chef Gordon Ramsay can make millionaire breakfasts. Verily, verily, I say unto you, so can I and so can you. Watch all the way to the end, like and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. It means everything to us that you watch this all the way to the end. This is called a millionaire's breakfast, and I can't wait to show you how we're going to make this. Blueberries, dried mango, bacon, and the piece de resistance, I'm talking are these fluffy butter egg covered with our secret ingredients. What makes this a millionaire breakfast, you might ask? The secret is this: truffles. What are truffles? I had to do some digging myself, pun intended. They grow underground. Canine sniffing truffle dogs locate these and they dig them up because they grow in the roots. They're like a mushroom, like a fungus. There's a fungus among us that makes them rare and hard to find and a little expensive. Thus the name Millionaire Breakfast. These are $50 to $60 an ounce. They're very earthy and very delicate. So we're going to use this to grate over our breakfast today and turn a regular breakfast into a millionaire breakfast. Let's get started. Now we whisk our eggs. And we don't have to beat these to death. Just want to break up the yolks. Now what's going to make these eggs nice and buttery? Butter. You know why? Because truffles love dairy. They love cream. They love milk. And what's cream and milk but butter? So we're going to put in some butter. Let's get our large skillet nice and hot, and I'm going to hit this with some chili infused olive oil. Into our eggs and butter. We want to keep these moving and let our butter melt. We'll add our seasonings, our salt, and our pepper in the end. One of the comments to tell me, do you put your salt and pepper in first or last? Just keep this moving. You can already see how fluffy these eggs are going to be. Oh, they're going to be great. This is fantastic. Something we cook almost every day. I eat eggs every day. How many eggs do you eat? I can eat as many as 6 eggs in a day. But you know what? This is the first time I will have ever had millionaire breakfast with truffles. How do you like your eggs? You like yours scrambled? Really, really hard? Or do you like a little bit of liquid chicken left in there? No liquid chicken for me. And we can shut this off now. Get this with some pepper. Sea salts. Now let's plate these up with our truffles. This is going to be phenomenal. You can do this on a sandwich if you like. I have pretty much given up wheat and bread, so I am doing a breadless millionaire breakfast. Now let's get our truffles on this plate. Now we turn ordinary eggs into millionaire eggs with our truffle. You can slice these or you can grate them as finely as you would like. It smells delicious. I'm going to plate this beautiful breakfast with some bacon, some dried mango. I'll put a link down at the bottom for this cork remover. And fresh blueberries. Moment of truth. Let's give it a try. The truffle brings the eggs to the next level. I gotta say, this is something I want to continue to do. I've had truffle fries. Have you heard of truffle fries? Have you had those? I think it's oil that's been infused with truffles. It gives it that same aroma and that same flavor. But this is definitely worth the investment. Get yourself some truffles and let me know how you like those. This is phenomenal. Thank you so much for watching. Special shout out to our friends at Fat Off the Bone who not only donated these truffles, but hand delivered them. And they came from a farm that I didn't even know about right here in Central North Carolina from a former classmate. You can look them up on West Highland Truffles on Facebook. So thank you so much for the super rare delight to be able to do our first cook with truffles. Cheers.